the continent, Asia. Come, let's get started. Asia is the Earth's largest continent. It is also the most populous continent in the world. Mount Everest, which is located in Asia between Nepal and China, is the highest mountain in the world. The summit is the border of Nepal to the south and China on the north. It is 8,848 meters high. China is the most populated country in the world. It has a population of around 1.4 billion, followed by India. The Yangtze or Yangtze is the longest river in Asia. It is the third longest river in the world. It is the longest in the world to flow entirely within one country. Asia is the birthplace of many religions. Few of them includes Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. Hinduism is the largest in Asia. The borders of Europe and Asia are not properly defined. Because of this, some people use the term Eurasia instead. Eurasia is the combined landmass of the continents of Europe and Asia. 14 of the tallest mountains in the world can be found in Asia, and they all are over 8,000 meters above the sea. Asia's population is larger than the rest of the world combined. The Asian continent is home to 4.46 billion people, which account for more than 60% of the total human population on Earth. The highest point and the lowest point of the world lies in this continent. The highest point is the Mount Everest and the lowest point is the Dead Sea. Dead Sea is 304 meters, that is 997 feet deep, the deepest hypersaline lake in the world. The world's highest railway line has been constructed in China, which is the Qinghai-Tibet Railway. It starts from Qinghai provinces of China to Lhasa of Tibet. Its height is 4,500 meters above sea level. India is the world's leading producer of mangoes. The main mango producing states in India are Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Bihar, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. It produces around 40% of the total world mango production. The least populous country in Asia is the Maldives, with an estimated population of around 3,92,000. It is located to the southwest of Sri Lanka and India. It is also one of the smallest countries on Earth with just 298 square kilometers, that is 115 square miles of area, 99% of which is water. Archipelago refers to a group of islands or an area of sea in which there are many small islands. Indonesia is made up of over 17,000 islands, effectively making it the world's largest archipelago. China has the highest number of cell phone users in the world. There are more than 1.3 billion cell phones in use in China. Bhutan became the first nation in the world to ban the sale of tobacco and to outlaw smoking in all public places. In June 2010, the country implemented one of the world's strictest anti-tobacco legislations by forbidding the sale or smuggling of tobacco into Bhutan. Rice is one of the most widely consumed grains in the world. China consumes more rice than any other country in the world. Around 90% of the world's rice is consumed in Asia. 60% of it in China, India and Indonesia alone. Since Asia is a huge landmass, it is further divided into 6 subcontinents, namely India, South Asia, East Asia, Middle East, North Asia and Southwest Asia. Soup is widely known as a starter course. However, in Chinese cuisine, soup is eaten after the main course as it is seen to improve your digestion. A landlocked country is defined as a country that is completely surrounded by land. Some of these nations may have coastlines, but these are only on closed seas. About 1/5 of all of the countries in the world are landlocked. The largest landlocked country in the world by area is Kazakhstan. In Vietnam, everybody's birthday is celebrated on New Year's Day. The Vietnamese do not know or acknowledge the exact day they were born. Tet is the name for the first morning of the new year. On the first morning of Tet, parents, siblings, relatives, and close friends congratulate children on becoming a year older by presenting them with red envelopes that contain lucky money. Asia has the highest number of billionaires in the world. China borders 14 countries, but it has only one time zone, which is China Standard Time, CST. Japan requires citizens between the ages of 45 and 74 to have their waistlines measured once a year and seek medical attention if their measurements fall outside established ranges. In January 2008, Japan passed the Metabolic Law in an effort to curb obesity in that country. According to the United Nations, Asia consists of 48 countries. Few of them are India, Pakistan, Japan, China, and Singapore. Mobile internet users in Southeast Asia are exceptionally engaged, spending an average of 3.6 hours per day online. This is more than any other region of the world. Users in Thailand spend 4.2 hours per day on the mobile internet, the most in the world. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.